are back. Sorry, my battery went dead. Had to put some. Fortunately, the other day I brought them down, left them on the counter here. They're right handy. There you go. Why is everybody just chewing on my feet? Okay. Well, it's time I went and finished unloading the car. I'm going to check on your mom and Nell. See what they were barking at before, which they don't usually do. They're fighting with each other. But it's got his hot dog. Hey, you got your hot dog. Give them enough toys of their own, and you only allow them what's theirs. If it's not theirs, you tell them no, and you insist on it. You can't be constantly lifting your whole house up, and they just have to learn. We used a fly swatter a lot with BJ, and after a while just had to show her the fly swatter, and that was enough. She knew what it did, so she didn't have to have it anymore. She knew what the punishment was if she took something that was not hers. And we do not do anything with our house to take anything out of the way. I can leave her cookie on the coffee table and forget to give it to her, and it'll still be there in the morning, even though it's within her reach. Hey, Fun? How you doing, Fun? Getting ready for sleep? Hey, say I've had enough. I want to cool down. Hey, say I've had enough. I want to cool down. Yeah. There you go. A little chew and go to sleep. You guys know you are just a roaring. Not my shoe. Not my shoe. Not my shoe. No. Here. Yeah, look at that. Hey, Wiser. Can't figure out what happened to the toy. She's climbing around the roses in my feet. Okay. There we go. Alright. It's time to go, so we're going to say goodnight. Good night, everybody. And let's see if we can get anything uploaded in that there, so we don't have much luck this week yet. There we are.